Okay guys, today we are going to unbox our new JBL Tune 710 BT. Let's unbox it. First, we got the invoice from Amazon. Next we got let's unwrap it. Let's keep this aside. Actually, I was expecting a cartoon box, but they gave me in a plastic polythene bag. That's fine. So this is our new JBL Tune 710. Have a look. Sideways, and this is the front, and this is the bottom, which will have some QR codes and the product description. And this very typical one. So let's open it. Okay, from where do we see? Okay, let's start from here. I think let's try it from the bottom. Okay, I think we need to. Okay, done. So put on the second side. Yeah, let's open it. Okay, this is how the box looks like, and this has some description about the product, which will have the model number and some 1 unit of Bluetooth headphones and 1 unit of type C and charging cable and detachable audio cable and 1 unit start guide, and we know this, and the date of manufacturer and so on. So okay, let's keep this aside. So let's open it up. Okay, let's keep this aside, and here is our JBL new 710 BT earphones. This is how it will looks like, and this will have rotatable cushions, and the cushion is very soft, and moreover you have one head-on cushion too, that is also very soft, and this is rotatable around, I guess, even you have a pretty good extend, and you have one type C charging cable for a quick charge. For a quick charge you have a type C charging cable, and then you do have a aux cable if you want to use your earphones widely when you don't have, when the charging is up. So that's it guys, and I'll share you the experience how the these headphones works in next video. See you guys.